Lithuanian ordinary sailors to embark 2,200 euros net, Italian social security, and the RoRo's 37,000 tons, 22 units plus very modern RoRo's plus other 55 passenger Italian flags, 67,000 ton approx. Total fleet 77 ships, all of them with social security. We are doing this video for these OS, and then Lithuanian ABs will say, well, the market rate here for Lithuania is like 3,100 euros plus social security. Yes, we know, and yes, we have been in negotiations with you because many of you are sailing under cruise, flag of convenience, far away ships, not in the European waters, Mediterranean temperature, Italian excellent crew, very happy crew with the social security, also flag of convenience, and also many of you are in the dredging fleet because there is a huge advantage that you have in the social security which no other advantages like Spanish or the Latvians, Estonians and so on. But here in this situation we are here to beat this. How? Because we have the social security which you don't have this under the other companies. So it's a huge advantage, and that's why we're making this video for the OS, because if you don't have, if you come from dredging, for example, and you are a very experienced AB, but you want to jump to this Italian company, 22 RoRos and 55 RoPaxes, huge ships, 37,000 tons the first, and then the later 67,000 tons, 77 huge ships, very close to your home, but you don't have the experience as a RoRo or as a passenger ship, then you need to join as OS, and then on board promoters AB, even Bosun 3,200, and then we have also plumber, feeder, and so on, electricians 3,200 net. You know the Italian social security, it has the advantage of 2 years employed, 2 years unemployment, the pension, and the full family covered, but also very close to your Lithuania. And thank you very much indeed for your time. I hope that we start having this huge supply, because we're looking around 100 OSs that slowly will promote to ABs. Yes, this company really can take as much supply as there is, because it is 77 huge RoRo and RoPax fleet here in Europe, Mediterranean waters, very nice professional Italian language, Italian full crew, but now Candina is starting slowly. Thank you very much indeed. Like and subscribe, bye.